Hi, everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, then join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So hi, everyone. It is the 1st of April, and spring in many areas is really started to come into its own, which is such a beautiful, beautiful thing. So I am doing this video today because I did something, guys. I actually agreed to participate in a video every day. Oh my gosh, what did I go and do that for? Well, I do like challenges, and I know that if I put forth the challenge, I'm really going to do my best to try to see it through. And I hope, so hope, that you guys will be willing to come along with me on this journey as I endeavor to share with you guys. My plans for the month are as follows. I will be working on one project throughout the month until I complete it. It's going to be a mystery project, but I'm going to show you the progress that I am making as I go along. And it should become apparent at the end of it what the whole concept is, but you guys will see as I am working on it. In addition to that, I have a few other things that I'm going to kind of incorporate along with it. And I will explain each of those topics for the day. I'd like to combine a little bit of mindfulness as well as just topics of interest, show you some whips that I'm working on, some finished objects, and maybe just a little bit of, what I'm doing for the day. I am really, really excited, and I want to say thank you so much to Jeanette over at DOY Life and DOY Creations for just putting forth this challenge and encouraging each and every one of us to step out of our comfort zone a little bit. It really means a lot. I also want to say a huge shout out to Pricilla over at Distinctive Crochet, who also is always very supportive and encouraging. And just, I just so appreciate you. Now, for each of you guys who are participating in this video every day in April, congratulations. And I am there cheering you guys on as well. So I look forward to seeing what everybody is doing this month. And I hope that you guys will get excited and be inspired. So this is just an intro video today. And I hope that each and every one of you continue to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I will see you on tomorrow. Bye-bye now.